You hunting, buddy? Huh?
And there's a hole. A couple more up there.
Good job. Sit. Good boy. Go get him. Go get another one. Treat up here again. It's starting to snow again some more. So I'm sure there'll be more dens and nests today.
Good boy.
Sit. Go get him. Go get another one. Another den tree that had a nest in it.
Right on the edge of a swamp right now. That could be a coon den. As you can see, it's snowing pretty good now.
Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Come on. Go get another one. Go on. Far's made 3 trees and we got 3 dens. Good boy. Good job, buddy. Get up there.
About guarantee it's right in there.
Good. Treat again. Got another den tree, but I'll check it over and see if it's out. Good job, buddy. Well, leading right to this tree, but it's a den. Situation like this is when it'd be great to have 2 people because I'm treating a lot of these big oak trees. Not quite solid. I didn't film it, but he treated a few more dens. Now it's closer to about 10 o'clock. And the sun's starting to come out a little bit more and it feels a little bit warmer. So hopefully we get one on the outside. Treat on another den. But one good thing about it, it's right next to a buck bed. I already knew this area was here because I find sheds here every year, but they've definitely been using a lot more than the previous years. Good boy.
Right, there's a net with the hole in it.
Wait. Just cut him loose again. He treated another den with a nest in it. Hoping to get one on the outside so I can cook and eat it for lunch. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. You can see too, all the base of these trees around here are hollow. So, cut him loose again. Tree down another big oak tree with a squirrel nest in it.